Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to DIY eyeliner that you can make super cheap. This one is 1 ounce a bottle that you can get from Amazon and buy a plant-based tattoo ink. And the one I like was, I'm going to give you the description on what kind of ink that you want to get, but I bought these refillable version of eyeliner that you can refill every time you're running out. You just add more, and 1 ounce of liquid can definitely last you a very long time. So you open it up and then pull out the ink cartridge, and then what you can do is just fill them up. It's super easy. Actually, I forgot to shake it up before I put them back into this little tube, because sometimes it is really good before you use anything, shake it up first, because sometimes the sediments will be on the bottom. Show you how it works with my new DIY eyeliner. About a little bit like that. That's it. So now you can see this is DIY eyeliner that you can make. Literally take you a minute, and this little thing for 1 ounce of ink should last you for a very, very, very long time. This 1 ounce probably like $10, and you can just refill this and reuse it for a very long time. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you can try out something new and you reusable things, eco-friendly, and you can able to save the environment by refilling your own stuff and reuse this perfectly good stuff, so you don't have to waste them all the time. All right, thank you.